Imagine this. You're staring at your screen. The red numbers glare back at you. You feel that sinking pit in your stomach. Another loss. Now be honest, what's the first thought that hits you? Regret? Anger? Maybe even panic? But what if I told you that loss wasn't just a failure? It was a message from the market, if you know how to read it. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a new way of seeing losses. One that could change the way you trade forever. I once made a trade that I was sure would be a winner. I didn't even set a stop loss because, in my mind, I didn't need one. It was a sure thing. That sure thing wiped out 20% of my account in minutes. Here's what I realized. When you win, you don't question yourself. But when you lose, you're forced to ask the uncomfortable questions. Was I trading a setup or was I trading my emotions? Did I actually have a strategy or just hope? Was I managing risk or just playing reckless? Start grading your trades, not by profit, but by execution. Good trade equals you followed your plan, even if it lost. Bad trade equals you ignored your plan, even if it won. When you shift your focus from winning to trading correctly, the profits take care of themselves. Every loss is a lesson, but only if you learn it. Here's something nobody tells you. Every trader pays tuition. Some pay it in trading courses. Others pay it directly to the market. But the market, it doesn't offer refunds. Your first blown account, that was a lesson on risk management. Your first revenge trade, a lesson on emotions. Your first time ignoring your stop loss, a lesson in discipline. Here's the mindset shift. Instead of saying, I lost money, start saying, I paid for a lesson. Then ask, was it worth the cost? Because here's the real danger. If you don't learn from it, you'll keep paying for the same lesson over and over again. Losses are expensive when you don't learn. But when you do, they become your competitive advantage. Tell me if this sounds familiar. You take a loss, you feel frustrated, you instantly jump back in trying to make it back. Boom! Another loss. Now instead of trading smart, you're trading angry. Before you know it, your account is drained. This is called the revenge trade trap. And if you don't stop it, it will destroy you. Here's how to break the cycle. Rule: no trading for 10 minutes after a loss. Step away. Breathe. If you're still emotional, you're not trading, you're gambling. Why this works? When you lose, your fight or flight response kicks in. Your brain stops thinking logically. If you trade in that state, you're not making decisions, you're reacting. The best traders don't control the market, they control themselves. You can be the best trader in the world, but if your risk management is garbage, you will lose everything. It's not a question of if, it's when. If you risk 50% of your account on one trade, you only need 2 losses to be out of the game. But if you risk just 1% per trade, you'd have to lose 100 times in a row to blow up. Here's a quick risk test before every trade. If this trade goes wrong, will I still be emotionally and financially fine? If yes, take the trade. If no, you're betting too big. Risk management doesn't guarantee you'll win, but it guarantees you'll still be in the game after you lose. Most traders see losses as failures. The best traders see losses as data. Next time you take a loss, don't ask, why did this happen to me? Ask, what did this loss teach me? How do I avoid this mistake forever? What would a professional trader do next? The market doesn't punish you for losing. It punishes you for not learning. If this changed your perspective, hit like and subscribe for more trading psychology deep dives. And let me know in the comments, what's one trading loss that taught you something valuable? Let's learn from each other. See you in the next one. Keep trading smart.